Hey pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at the GoPro Hero 10. And obviously, as you can probably see, if you get nice and up close on the screen, I am actually recording with this. Hi Mom! So we're going to chop and change between the footage so you can see what it looks like in actuality. Now, we are recording here. I do have some nice bright lights and everything else, but it's going to be a pretty good example of what it looks like. So this is what GoPro are calling the Adventure Kit, which is to say that it comes with the handler, which is a waterproof floating handle that kind of just pops on here like this. And I'm sure seasoned GoPro vets will tell me that I have the clip mount part in backwards. That's my bad. But this just screws in like so. And then you have a nice little handle for vlogging or just taking on the boat, floating. Also comes with a nice little head strap for all of your, running around, capturing craziness. We have the additional hard cage in here that has a nice little cutout, because obviously GoPros are touchscreen. So GoPro 10, what's new about it? Why would you use a GoPro 10 over a 9 or an 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1? Well, good question. They've got an all new processor in here. It is what they're calling the GP2, and I'm going to make a stab in the dark that GP stands for GoPro, and it's probably their second iteration of the processor. But what it means is that you're now getting 23 megapixel still images. You're getting 5.7K footage at 60 frames a second. You're getting 4K 120. You can even do 240 frames a second if you go down to 2.7K, and obviously 1080 as well. So you're getting pretty high frame rates out of this tiny little bad boy of a camera. You are now cloud connected with this, so you can use it as a webcam. You can live stream straight from it through your phone. Obviously you need an app, the GoPro Quick app. But yeah, it's a little beast of a camera. So yeah, we're quite happy to have it on board. We do, like I say, we are including this protective case, and the case comes with a swappable back to make it even more watertight. You just pop this one out of its little thing down here. You snap this one in. But honestly, the camera itself is waterproof up to 33 feet without this. This just gives you extra protection. Obviously, any bumps, scrapes, knocks are gonna be better off in this. That way you don't have to pay us to replace any damaged parts. The kit also comes with an additional battery. So you've got the one that's already in here that I'm using to film, plus the spare battery. Charges in the camera. We've got you covered with that as well. And I am missing one last thing, which is to say that unlike most of our camera kits, this one's actually going to come with the micro SD card as well. It's a 128 gig card, so depending on the quality that you're recording, you'll get anywhere, well, right now it's telling me that there's like almost 4 hours of recording time on this little card. So yeah, it's a pretty impressive little camera, and we're super excited to have it on board. So there you go, GoPro 10 available right now on our website, thelenspal.com. Comes, like I say, as a complete adventure kit with spare battery, with micro SD card, and can be yours with rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. If you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful or informative, or you just like the way that I vlog, please consider giving us a like, a subscribe, a share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and until next time, I'll see you soon.